everyone, welcome to this video. Today I am going to show you how to program the product sorting process. So now I'm in the home page. I am going to advanced search. You can see in advanced search there's a drop down menu sort by. If you click it, see the you can see the sorting options. Sorting by price and sorting by quantity. You can sort price low to high and high to low. You can sort quantity low to high and high to low. So I'm going to select one and press the search button. So you can see the products are sorted in here. Lower price to high price. So I'm going to high to low. So now I'm going by quantity. So now let's go through the code. So let's start with the HTML and JavaScript in Advanced Search PHP file, and then we'll move on to the backend logic inside Advanced Search Process PHP. So first, here inside the Advanced Search PHP, I have created a select element for sorting option. It's wrapped inside a bootstrap column. The ID for the dropdown is S, which we'll later use in JavaScript. Each option corresponds to a sorting type. For example, 1 means price ascending, 2 means price descending, and so on. Now let's move to the JavaScript section. This is the main function that collects all the user's filter inputs, including the sort option, and sends them to the backend using Ajax. Here I am getting all the form inputs: title, category, brand, model, condition, color, from, to, sort. All these fields correspond to what the user selects on the advanced search page. Next, I created a form data object F and append all the input values to it. So these values will be sent as post data to the PHP backend. Notice that I also send the page number X for pagination. Here I'm using the XML HTTP request object to send a post request to advanced search process PHP. Once the response is received, it's injected directly into the view area div. So when the user selects a sorting option, the products are dynamically updated without reloading the page. Now let's open the advanced search process PHP. This file handles the logic for filtering, sorting, and pagination the products. paginating the products. I first include the database connection and capture all the values that were sent from the JavaScript form data. Each variable corresponds to a filter option. I initialize the $query variable with a basic SQL select statement. The $status variable helps track whether we already started adding a condition to the query. Then, based on the user inputs, I start appending where and end conditions to the query. For example, if the user searched by title, category, brand, model, or color, the query dynamically adds those filters. This part ensures that only matching products are fetched before applying sorting. Here's where the actual sorting happens. Once all filters are applied, I check the $sort value. Depending on which option the user selected, I append an order by clause to the SQL query. So if $sort equals 1, it sorts by price ascending from low to high. If $sort equals 2, price descending high to low. If $sort equals 3 and 4, do the same for the quantity. This means the backend dynamically controls the sorting order directly through SQL, and the database returns results in the right order. After sorting, the pagination logic takes over. It checks which page the user is on, counts total results, and limit the query to 2 results per page. It checks Then it calculates how many pages are needed and fetches only the subset of data that should be displayed. This keeps the interface fast and manageable even if there are hundreds of products. Then using a for loop, I display each product card dynamically. Each card shows each card shows the image, title, price, stock, status, and buttons for buy now or add to cart. The products are displayed according to the sort order the user selected, and below that, the pagination buttons are generated dynamically as well. Each page link calls advanced search again with a page number, so you can browse through sorted and filtered results smoothly. Finally, if there are no matching products, the user sees the friendly "No product for you" message. This ensures the UI stays clean and informative. So the sorting process starts when the user selects a sort option. JavaScript sends all filter data to the backend using Ajax. PHP dynamically constructs the SQL query with an appropriate order by clause. The backend sends sorted results back to the frontend, which are displayed instantly with pagination support. So this is the product sorting process in my eShop. Thank you for listening.